welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the YOUCANIC scanner to do a health check on a Porsche. So here we have a few warning lights that are on, but you know, sometimes you might not have any warning at all. You might still have a bunch of issues, underlying issues. So not every issue in the car is going to throw a full code, but so what we have here is we've run what's called a quick scan. So if you go to diagnostics and then you from there select Porsche and then select quick scan, you can see all the different control units. You can select any of them here. It'll show you the full codes that are present, and you can, now it says passive, so if it's passive it's a code that can be cleared. But if it's stored or current, so if it's stored or passive, it means it can be cleared. If it's current or active, it cannot be cleared. You need to address it, you need to fix it. You can save the report, email it, print it, whatever you like to do. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see a better list of the full codes. What I would recommend is doing a scan, doing an erase first, and erasing everything. You save the codes, then do an erase. It'll go through all the control modules. They have full codes, and it'll clear every old codes. You can see here a lot of the codes will go, the number will go down, and some of them will be completely cleared. But you want to do that, and then you drive the car again for another 5-10 minutes at least. Do a couple of driving cycles, because some codes will return, and you can focus on what's actually coming back. You don't have to worry about all these codes that can be triggered maybe like a year ago. Maybe the battery was low at some point and that was it. So do run a scan, save the report just so you have the codes. Now if it's under warranty and all that, you might not want to clear these codes, so keep that in mind. But if the car is out of warranty, you're doing your own work, just clear them, and then you drive the car and then come back and see what remains. So you can see here all of the codes are remaining: 3 in the engine, 2 of the rear end electronics, front end electronics. So you can enter any of these control units, and inside them you'll have things like, you can read the codes, you can look at live data. So whatever control module that is, you can look at live data for that control module. But you can also do active tests. So if we're in the engine, we'll control the engine, but here we're rear end electronics, so the rear fuse box panel, we can control the rear lights, things like that. You can turn them on and off, actuators, car connect, and so on. So if we go to the transmission, for example, we're going to have transmission resets and things like that, live data from the transmission. If you went to the ABS, you're going to see like wheel speed sensors and things of that nature. But that's how you can use the YOUCANIC scanner to run a full scan, check the health of the vehicle. It's recommended to just at least save the report. Then you can clear the codes and then run at a later time to see what is there that you need to focus on. Otherwise, you're just going to have way too many full codes and you're not going to know what to focus on first. Here you can see cylinder 3, 6, misfire, bank 2, misfire after a cold start, and faulty siren, key battery weak. So anyway, that's how you can use the YOUCANIC scanner to troubleshoot a Porsche, read all the codes from all the different control units, see what's going on with your vehicle. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.